Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how to apply edge banding. It's really simple to do, and I wanted to share with you how to do it, so stick around. Okay, so to do this, it's very simple. Make sure you get yourself your edge banding first, and then also get yourself an iron. Now, I have done this completely with an iron. There is a roller that you can use to help in the process of applying this, getting it nice and even. But I know a little trick to do with the iron that actually makes it much easier. So let me bring you in really close to take a look at this. So to begin, you want to get a good pair of scissors, get your edge banding ready, and then I've got my iron set here. It's already been on. I got it to its highest setting. So the first thing you do, I've got these boards that I'm trying to put edge banding on for some shelves. Roughly get it to the edge on both sides. This does not have to be perfect because you'll be able to sand it later. And then cut it to the approximate length using your scissors. So next, what you're wanting to do, just hold it there, and taking your iron, being careful of the temperature, you're going to want to start on one end and apply even heat. Now, since I'm going to do this without a roller, one of the key features of this is to not just hold it here, but to push down on your flat iron as best as you can to apply even pressure. And basically that's doing the exact same thing that the roller would do. And apply even pressure all over the entire edge band. Next thing you want to do is, if your edge is nice and square, you're pretty much done. What I like to do is take this and just roll a little bit to the left side, give it a little pass, roll it a little bit to the other side, another pass, and that has been applied. After this has cooled down, what you want to do is grab yourself some sandpaper, and this is actually a piece of wood underneath this. What the simplest thing to do is to wrap a piece of wood with your sandpaper. It gives you a nice flat surface. Take this and run it on the edges. You don't want to go dead on flat, because then you're going to probably mar up the shelf, or the piece of wood that you're doing. So just go at an angle just to knock off that high edge and round it over to where it feels pretty good. Do the same thing on the other side. Then on the edge here, this is where you're going to be able to bring the edge of that nice and flush. There we go. So you can also do this on 1/2 inch wide plywood, and basically all you're going to want to do is let it overlap, and then once it's cooled off, take a nice sharp blade and just trim off the extra, and then do the same sanding process. So I hope that helped you out. It's kind of like a quick tip just to kind of give you a little bit of a glimpse on how to put edge banding on. It always turns out really good. I love it. It's a great end result for a nice flush straight board. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.